Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shikha and I'm a legal intern at Lexis & Company. I'm a law student from UPS Dehradun. In today's video, we will talk about the reason behind India's constitution being the longest constitution in the world. But before starting the video, there's a small disclaimer that this video does not solicit any kind of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the only purpose for which the video is made is educational purpose. So let's begin with the video now. India's constitution is considered as one of the longest written constitution in the world. When it was originally framed, it contained 395 articles and was divided into 22 parts and 8 schedules. Today, the English version of Indian constitution contains 445 articles, which is also divided into 25 parts and 12 schedules. It contains about 1,17,000 words, making it the bulkiest and the longest constitution in the world. When the constitution was being framed, the framers of the constitution tried to put provisions in such manner that it would create an legislation which was free of any kind of ambiguity, and for the future government to carry on their role of being a welfare state in the country. So, what are the reasons why it is regarded as the longest or the bulkiest constitution? The first one is because most of the part of the constitution is taken from the Government of India Act of 1935, which was in itself one of the bulkiest written legislation of its time. The second reason is because it contained various borrowed provisions in the constitution. The framers of the constitution took various provisions or feature from the various different written various constitution around the world which were present at that time. They tried to collect all the working experiences of the constitution at that time and modified it according to the need and the requirement of the freshly made Indian country. The various features which are taken from various government are, like for example, from Britain, provisions like single citizenship or the parliamentary form of government, rule of law, etc. were taken. From the Constitution of Ireland, the DPSP was taken. From US Constitution, various provisions like the power of Supreme Court is taken from them. The judicial review, the fundamental rights are all taken from the Constitution of the USA. From Japan, the procedure established by law is taken, and like these various provisions are taken from various countries across the world. The next reason is because India is a very diverse country. It have various people from various races, religion, various communities, various localities, etc. So for each one of them, to represent each one of them and to serve a just living environment for them and to guarantee them the justice and equality, various provisions are contained in it. Various scheduled castes and scheduled tribes are also in India, and from them special legislation like the reservation provisions are contained in the constitution, making it the bulkiest one. Also, to address the need and requirement of every sex present in India, various provisions were made, taking up more space in the constitution. Unlike countries like the USA, where the different constitution for state and the union is made up, in India there is single constitution for both the states, union and union territories, and their individual rights and compositions, etc. are written down in the single constitution itself, so making it the longest constitution. The state and the union both have different powers, and different lists are accordingly made, which are the state list and the union list. Also, a third list, concurrent list, is also present in the constitution, where the both union and the state share power. So these provisions also make up taking a lot of space in the constitution. Various provisions like the fundamental rights, the DPSP, the amendment procedures, the emergency provisions, etc., are also laid in the constitution itself. Also, the various organs of the constitution, which is the executive, the legislative, and the judiciary, each one of these power composition, their procedure, etc., everything is written in detail in the constitution, so making up a longest constitution in the world. So these are various reasons because of which Indian constitution is one of the bulkiest and the longest constitution in the world. So that's it for today's video. If you have any comment or if you have any doubt, please write it down in the comment section below. Thank you so much.